So here's a quick update on what I've got done on the truck. And still moving forward on it. And I'll show you what I've got done on the bed so far. So I built a temporary frame to set my bed up on so I can finish doing the body work and getting it ready to paint. Just some 2x4 legs with a couple old cross braces in there, but it's good and stout where I can sand it and finish out the inside and the outside of the bed now. The new rear cross seal and the new front header, so I'll be able to check my wheel tub fit and everything with this the way I've got it set up, hopefully. So, and I'm just going to leave this on it all the way through till time to paint it, and then I'll just tape off the bottom, skirt it with paper when I go to spray to try to keep the dust out of the sides of it. This is the rough bed side that I'm still working on. This bed side over here is pretty close to being ready to do a final block and seal. Haven't done the inside of this one yet, nor the inside of that one. Still got to block both of those to see how straight we are. The new front header panel I bought's got a slight bend in it. You can see there at the bottom. Got to straighten out. Didn't make it over on the boat too good. But other than that, I'm still moving forward. Hopefully here in a couple, 3 more weeks, I'll have the bed ready to set on, get the truck finished up, start enjoying it a little bit. So probably the next video I post will be ready for to put sealer on it and get it ready to paint. Just be another quick update on it. Thanks for watching.